You voted. I listened. Here are the craziest animals you wanted to see. You asked for the goat. In Turkey, a goat walked into a courthouse and refused to leave. It sat in the judge's chair for 2 hours. No one moved it. The judge worked in another room. You asked for the squirrel. In the USA, a squirrel broke into a bird feeder with a hidden camera. It posed for the camera, ate all the seeds, and became famous. It now has more followers than most influencers. You asked for the bear. In Russia, a bear stole a car, released the handbrake, rolled down a hill, crashed into a tree, walked away like nothing happened. No license, no insurance, no regrets. Which animal should I do next? Subscribe for part 22 and comment. I'll pick the best idea.